Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about some aromatherapy jewelry using the On Guard Essential Oil Blend. This aromatherapy jewelry is made out of natural terracotta clay that absorbs essential oils. While this video is for the necklace, you can try making any type of jewelry: earrings, necklaces, bracelets, pendants, beads, etc. Once the clay is sculpted and dried, you can add a few drops of essential oil or of a blend to the jewelry to experience the power of essential oils throughout the day. Note, this DIY recipe can also be used to make car air fresheners, Christmas ornaments, keychains, and more, and so it's multi-purpose, that's right. The items needed are terracotta clay, sandpaper, stamps, and for that you can use small, no more than 1 inch in diameter ones, shish kebab sticks or toothpicks, some string, a 1 to 1 1/4 inch round cutout object, a rolling pin or pencil would also work, some scissors, aluminum foil, wax paper, and then 1 to 2 drops of the doTERRA On Guard oil blend, or the Whisper blend would also be a good oil you can use here. And then a tip is that when it's not being worn, you can store your scented jewelry in your linen closet or dresser drawers to keep fabrics smelling great. The directions are grabbing a handful of the terracotta clay and then rubbing it in the palms of your hands until it's soft and pliable. Next, you can place a piece of the wax paper on the table, and then you want to use a rolling pin to roll out the clay until it's about a 1/8 of an inch thick. Then you take the round object and press firmly into the clay to make circle pendants. You want to remove the excess clay from the cutout pendants, and then take each pendant and stamp a design into the clay. You can take a shish kebab stick or toothpick and make a hole in the pendant. Make sure the hole is big enough to fit 2 strands of string into. With the leftover clay, make a few small round beads and put a medium to large size hole in the center of it. Once all the pendants have holes, place them on a cookie sheet, cover them in aluminum foil and bake, or you can air dry it according to the specifications provided with your clay. If baking is done in the oven, be careful not to overbake. They may seem bendable as soon as they are taken out of the oven, but they will harden once cooled completely. Once cool, use sandpaper to lightly smooth away any rough edges. It will temporarily change the color of the clay, but it will return to normal once the essential oils are applied. Next, you want to take a string and cut it into the desired length. Add 4 to 5 extra inches just to be safe. The string can be cut shorter later on, but once they're cut, it's kind of too late on making it longer. Then you want to take the pendant and put both ends of the string through the hole. Pull the ends through and put them through the loop. Pull tight. This will help the pendant lay flat on your chest. For a longer necklace, tie the 2 strings together. And here's a tip. For a shorter necklace, tie one end of the necklace in a knot a couple inches down. Place a bead on next, and then tie a knot on top of the bead so it remains securely in place. On the other end of the necklace, tie a loop that is large enough for a bead to fit through. Cut off any extra string. To take your necklace on and off, simply put the bead in the hole and it will act as a clasp. Add 1 drop of essential oil or of a blend that you like to the pendant. Rub the oil around, and again, the On Guard or the Whisper oil blend would be a couple good oils to choose from. And then lastly, now that you're ready to enjoy the benefits of essential oils throughout the day, if the scent begins to fade, add another drop of your favorite oil to the pendant, and remember, a little essential oil goes a long way, and essential oils can't help with everything, but they can help with something. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.